Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vishal Reddu, Assistant Professor of English, Government College, Chulana, Jain. Our topic of discussion is The Little Black Boy, a very famous poem by William Blake. First of all, we have a brief introduction about the poet. Poet William Blake was born in London in 1757 and died in 1827. विलियम ब्लेक का जन्म लंदन में 1757 में हुआ. इनकी मृत्यु 1827 में हुई. His parents were very poor and William Blake was a mystic and romantic poet especially, and he expresses deep thoughts and ideas in most of his poems. Now we will discuss the whole poem line by line. The first para is, my mother bore me in the southern wild, and I am black, but oh, my soul is white, white as an angel is the English child, but I am black as if bereaved of light. Bereaved से मतलब होता है वंचित होना. In this poem, the poet gives a message of love and universal brotherhood, and he is saying that God does not differentiate between the blacks and the whites. He gives his love and light equally to everyone and everything, because all the creatures on the earth are created by the same God Almighty. And in this opening stanza of the poem, the little black boy is disappointed at the black color of his body. And what he is saying, that his mother gave him birth in the forest of South Africa. So the color of his body is black, but his soul is white, white like that of English boy. And he is saying that the color of English boy's body is white like an angel, but the God has deprived him of his blessings. So the little black boy feels himself inferior to the white boy. The second para is, my mother taught me underneath a tree, and sitting down before the heat of the day, she took me on her lap and kissed me, and pointing to the east began to say. And in the second para, what the poet is saying, my mother taught me underneath a tree. Underneath से मतलब होता है नीचे. That one day my mother was sitting under a tree and she taught me a lesson. कि मेरी माँ पेड़ के नीचे बैठी हुई थी और उन्होंने मुझे एक शिक्षा दी, एक पाठ पढ़ाया. What she says, while sitting down before the heat of the day, she took me on her lap and kissed me. One morning, before the day got too hot, she sat me down on her lap. Lap से मतलब होता है गोद में. Underneath the shade of a tree, and she kissed me. And she pointed towards the sun, and she begin to speak something to me. कि उसने, मेरी माँ ने इशारा किया ईस्ट की तरफ जहां से सूर्य निकलता है, और उसने अपनी बात को कहना शुरू किया. The third para is, look on the rising sun, there God does live, and gives his light and gives his heat away, and flowers and trees and beasts and men receive comfort in the morning, joy in the noonday. In these lines, the mother consoles his black boy that he should not think himself inferior to the white boy, because the God Almighty gives his love equally to all the creatures on the earth, because all the creatures are created by the same God Almighty. क्योंकि भगवान ने ही सभी प्राणियों को, जीव जंतुओं को, इंसान को बनाया है। इसलिए भगवान की नजर में कोई भी छोटा बड़ा नहीं है, उसकी नजर में सभी क्या है, एक समान है। After that she says that just as the sun throws the light at everything, similarly God gives his light and heat to everyone। कि जैसे जो है सूर्य अपना प्रकाश जो है सभी को देता है, उसी प्रकार से भगवान भी जो है अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स, अपना आशीर्वाद, अपना प्यार जो है सबके लिए एक समान रखता है। एंड एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट of this universe, like the flowers, trees, beasts and man, कि चाहे पेड़ पौधे हों, फूल हों, चाहे जीव जंतु हों, चाहे इंसान हो, they get the love of the God equally, कि सभी को भगवान का जो प्यार है वो समान रूप से मिलता है। And they get the comfort in the morning and joy at the noon, equally given by the God. Next para is, and we are put on earth a little space that we may learn to bear the beams of love, and these black bodies and this sunburnt face is but a cloud and like a shady grove. In these lines, the little black boy's mother is consoling her son by saying that the God has given them a small space in the world, and so we should bear the beams of the light of the God in our soul। कि भगवान ने इस संसार में थोड़ा सा स्थान जो है दिया है, इसलिए हमें अपनी आत्मा के अंदर भगवान का जो प्रकाश है, उसकी जो किरणें हैं, कि उसको हमें धारण करना चाहिए। And she tells the little black boy that their black bodies and their sunburnt faces are not of much importance। कि अपने बच्चे को क्या बताती है कि उनके शरीर का जो कलर है, उनकी बॉडी का जो कलर है जो ब्लैक है, और जो सनबर्न्ड फेसेस हैं, दीज आर ऑफ नॉट मच इंपॉर्टेंस, कि वो ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है। दीज आर लाइक द क्लाउड्स, is but a cloud and like a shady grove। These things are only like the clouds or a shady grove that hides the light of the sun for a short time। कि सूर्य जो है उसकी जो लाइट है, उसका जो प्रकाश है, कि वो भी कई बार जो है धीमा पड़ जाता है, वो भी जो है छिप जाता है, कि जब बादल उसके सामने आ जाते हैं तो उसकी जो लाइट है, उसकी जो रोशनी है, कि वो भी जो है छिप जाती है। या वृक्षों का जो झुंड है, शेडी ग्रोव्स, कि वो भी सूर्य की रोशनी को क्या कर लेते हैं, थोड़ी देर के लिए छिपा लेते हैं। इन अदर वर्ड, द पोएट वांट्स टू से दैट the God's rays of kindness and love will diminish the difference between the black and the white। कि भगवान के द्वारा दिया गया जो प्यार है और उस प्यार की जो किरणें हैं, वो ब्लैक और व्हाइट का जो डिफरेंस है उसको बिल्कुल जो है क्या कर देते हैं, समाप्त कर देते हैं। नेक्स्ट पैरा देखिए, फॉर व्हेन आवर सोल्स हैव लर्न द हीट टू बियर, the cloud will vanish, and we shall hear his voice saying, come out from the grove, my love and care, and round my golden tent like lambs rejoice। In these lines, again the mother is consoling her little black boy, and she tells him that when they receive the rays of God's love and the blessings, the darkness of their soul will disappear permanently। कि जब भगवान का प्यार, भगवान के प्यार रूपी किरणें जो है जब उनको मिल जाएंगी, तो उनकी आत्मा का ये अंधेरा जो है वो संपूर्ण रूप से गायब हो जाएगा। वैनिश से मतलब होता है एंड हो जाना। and then they will hear the voice of the God Almighty calling them to his shady place. And from this place, the God will cast his love and care and blessings equally to both the black and the white boys. और वहां से भगवान अपना प्यार जो है, चाहे कोई गोरे रंग का है चाहे काले रंग का, दोनों को जो है समान रूप से जो है भगवान का प्यार मिलेगा. एंड ही विल आस्क बोथ द बॉयज to play around the golden tent of the God like the little lambs. कि जिस प्रकार से भगवान का जो ये भगवान ने जो है पूरे संसार में अपनी एक जगह जो है बनाई हुई है कि इसके चारों जिस प्रकार से छोटे छोटे मेमने खेलते हैं, कि उस तरीके से ये दोनों लिटिल ब्लैक बॉय और व्हाइट बॉयज कि ये जो है समान रूप से भगवान का प्यार ग्रहण करके उस भगवान के बनाए हुए उस गोल्डन टेंट के चारों ओर क्या करेंगे, चक्कर लगाएंगे. उसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट पैरा है, thus did my mother say and kissed me, and thus I say to the little English boy, when I from the black and he from the white cloud free, and round the tent of God like lambs we joy. In these lines, the little boy, black boy is quite satisfied, कि वो संतुष्ट हो जाता है, with the consolation of his mother, and he tells the English boy that when they will be from their black and white clouds, they will enjoy together in the heaven. कि जब वो उनके बीच में किसी प्रकार का भेद नहीं रहेगा तो तब वो जो है इक्वली जो है वो एंजॉय कर पाएंगे. then they will be equal to the God's lambs who play joyfully around the tent, golden tent of the God. In other words, both the blacks and whites will get God's love and light when they forget the difference of the color. The poet is saying that there should not be color difference between any human being. The last para is, I will shade him from the heat till he can bear to learn in joy upon our father's knee, and then I will stand and stroke his silver hair and be like him, and he will then love me. In the last stanza, the poet describes the awareness of the black boy, and he says that in the heaven he will save the white boy from the heat of the sun, and he will learn to lean with joy before God, who is the father of all, and he will stroke the silvery hair of the white boy, and in this way they will become friend, and the little white boy will become like black boy become like the white boy, and he will start loving to the little black boy, and there will be no difference between them. Thank you so much.